I was in Iraq and hospitalized for 6 days. The hospital keeps asking me if I'm going to file a lawsuit. What do they care? Well, I can guess what they care, but give him some guidance there, Co.
Yeah, this is a complicated answer, but it's a good question. They care because they want to try to get some of the money back from the adverse party. If you get a settlement and you have hospital bills, well, those hospital bills will need to get paid, and they look to your attorney to collect on those, to protect that fund, they call it, to get those bills paid. And like us, when we disperse money after a client has been either awarded into a settlement or a trial, then we do pay those medical providers back out of that settlement to reimburse them. And so that's kind of what happens. And been in there 6 days, that's tough, Matt. I'm sorry to hear that.
For most folks who go into the hospital, if you check in and you've got insurance, they're probably not going to approach you with that. But maybe if they've treated you and you're injured, which they will do, then they may want to ask those kinds of questions, because it doesn't sound like that would be a very common question to be asked, or is it?
Well, it kind of is. A lot of times people, especially people that do not have insurance, they really want to know that information.
Yeah.
But I think a lot of us have filled out those forms. There's a lot of forms when you go to the doctor, and it asks you if this is a result of an accident. Is this a result of an on-the-job injury? Because they need to be notified of workers' compensation insurance, and they need to notify Blue Cross Blue Shield or Medicare about this, and that so they can get reimbursed.